Welcome. Let's begin with UGC International Relations paper solving, and here we would discuss some of the important questions that were asked in 2023. The very first question talks about the Indian king who captured parts of Afghanistan. So the correct answer is Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Maharaja Ranjit Singh was appointed by Zaman Shah. He was the governor of Lahore during that time, and Ranjit Singh followed a policy of blood and iron. He was the founder of Sikh Empire, and Sukhar Chakya Misl was the group that was created, and he actually led that group. The next is, which treaty ended the 30 years war in Europe? 30 years war in Europe was ended by the Treaty of Westphalia. Westphalia Treaty, this war actually was a war, the 30-year war was a war between the Catholics and the Protestants, the two communities within the Christianity, and the idea was under this treaty to protect the national self-determination, to have a peaceful coexistence and balance of power to be established. The next is, which school reconsiders balance of power as an essential element for maintaining international peace? And as the name suggests, Realist school. So Realist school defines politics as struggle for power. Now since it talks about a struggle for power, it says that balance of power is really important to have international peace, and this can be maintained only through the school which was realism. Some of the major propounders of Realist school were Thompson, then you had Kennan and Morganthau. The next question is, who proposed the idea of collective security system? Now, collective security system was an important concept of international peace. The idea was given by Cardinal Richelieu, and this said that security of each state against the war or aggression is a collective effort. So, it's a joint effort in order to have or to counter any attack on the state or the region, and therefore called as collective. So collective security system, the idea given by Cardinal Richelieu. The next is, what was the positive impact of the First World War on colonized global south? Now in the colonized global south, it strengthened the imperialist struggles, the anti-imperialist struggles which were prevalent, and this was one of the positive impacts of the First World War, which led to actually the diminishing British rule worldwide, and the independent countries, started to prove their independence at their own. So this was one of the important efforts that was taken into light. So here, if you want to go into the depth and the details of the complete paper, the link is given below, where the recent papers have been put up with detailed solutions. Also, we would be considering some important questions in another set. Stay tuned. Thanks for joining in.